Mastering the Apple Watch for watch lovers. Hello, watch lovers, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're exploring the Apple Watch, a masterpiece that blends timeless craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're drawn to its stunning design, customizable dials, or smart features, this is the ultimate timepiece for modern watch enthusiasts. In this video, I'll guide you through setup, must-have features, and a surprising trick. Watching YouTube right on your wrist. Let's dive into the art of the Apple Watch. Setting up your Apple Watch. Let's start with the moment every watch lover cherishes. Unboxing your Apple Watch. Look at that precision-crafted case and vibrant Retina display. It's love at first sight. To pair it with your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap Start Pairing, and align your phone with the mesmerizing animation on the watch. Follow the prompts to select your language, wrist orientation, and a secure passcode. For watch lovers, the details matter. Choose a premium band like the Milanese Loop, or Hermès leather for that classic horological feel. Update to the latest watchOS in the Watch app, to unlock the finest features, like enhanced complications on newer models. Want to share the elegance? You can set it up for a family member, too. Cellular models let you leave your phone behind, keeping your wrist as the star of the show. Navigating with elegance. Navigating the Apple Watch is as intuitive as winding a classic timepiece. The digital crown is your key. Rotate it to glide through menus, or zoom into apps, press to return home, or double press to switch tasks seamlessly. Swipe to explore watch faces. Watch lovers, this is where the magic happens. Customize faces like the Chronograph Pro or Hermès Circulaire, to evoke vintage watch dials, with complications for weather, moon phases, or your heartbeat. Swipe up for Control Center to adjust settings with finesse, or down for Notification Center to stay discreetly informed. The app grid displays your apps like jewels in a watch case. Press the digital crown to see them sparkle. Prefer a refined list? Switch to List View in Settings. App View. Left-handed collectors can flip the orientation in Settings General for a bespoke fit. Features that define timeless innovation. The Apple Watch is more than a timepiece, it's a statement of innovation. Here are the features watch lovers will adore. Fitness with Flair. Track your adventures with the workout app. Start an outdoor walk and let the watch's precision sensors monitor your heart rate and distance with GPS accuracy. The activity rings move, exercise, stand. Turn fitness into a daily ritual, displayed elegantly on your wrist. On models like the Series 9 or Ultra 2, take an ECG or measure blood oxygen. Health tech that's as sophisticated as a Swiss movement. Connected in style. Stay in touch with effortless charm. Open messages to dictate a quick reply, scribble a note, or send a preset response. Make calls or use walkie-talkie for a playful nod to vintage comms. It's connectivity that complements the watch's sleek design. Music and podcasts elevate your day with the YouTube Music app. Streaming playlists through your watch. Pair with AirPods or let the built-in speaker play crisp audio. Perfect for music or podcasts on the go. Control your iPhone's media for seamless transitions, like switching between a chronometer's gears. Siri and productivity. Raise your wrist and say, "Hey Siri, set a reminder for my watchmaker appointment." It's like having a concierge in your timepiece. Check your calendar or control smart home devices with a tap, keeping your day as polished as your watch. Watching YouTube on your wrist. Now, for a feature that'll surprise even the most seasoned watch lovers. Watching YouTube on your Apple Watch. There's no official YouTube video app, but WatchTube brings this luxury to your wrist for free. Open the App Store on your watch, search WatchTube, and tap Get. Its refined interface offers a home tab, with trending videos and a search tab for dictation or scribbling titles. Let's play a vintage watch review to see it in action. Show video playing. The Retina display makes every pixel pop, and audio flows through the watch's speaker or paired AirPods. For collectors who crave more, WristTube syncs with your YouTube account for playlists and subscriptions. Though it's $1.99 a week or $2.99 a month after a free trial. The small screen is best for quick clips or audio-focused content like horology podcasts. A word of caution: streaming can tax the battery, so reserve it for special moments. Alternatively, send a YouTube link via messages to your watch, but expect mixed results with playback. Apple Watch for content creators. Watch lovers who create YouTube content. This one's for you. The Apple Watch is your creative companion. Use the camera remote app to control your iPhone's camera. Frame the perfect shot of your watch collection or film hands-free. It's a must for solo creators showcasing their timepieces. For lifestyle or fitness channels, display your activity rings or workout stats to share your journey with elegance. The watch's iconic design also makes it a star in flat lay shots, perfect for unboxing videos or style vlogs. Tips for watch aficionados. Here are some tips to elevate your Apple Watch experience. Pin elegant widgets like world clock or moon phase in the smart stack for quick access. Use the flashlight for inspecting intricate watch details in low light, to preserve battery for all-day wear. Disable background app refresh for non-essential apps in the Watch app. For true watch lovers, try the Explorer or California watch face. Both evoke classic timepieces while showcasing modern complications. It's horology reimagined. Conclusion and call to action. That's your guide to mastering the Apple Watch. Watch lovers. From its exquisite design to smart features like YouTube streaming, it's a timepiece that bridges tradition and innovation. What's your favorite watch face or feature? Share it in the comments. I'm dying to hear from fellow enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more watch-inspired content. Next week, we'll explore how to customize your Apple Watch for timeless style. Until then, keep ticking.